I can't say that I have a lot of Johnny Lightning toppers, but these are probably my favorite two. These two. This is in very good shape as well. I don't know a lot of people that collect the toppers, but there's some really cool ones out there. But today's show is going to be mostly Porsches. The Porsche Carrera GTs. I'm a fan of these because they look very cool. I like that matte paint. It looks so cool. See a lot of vehicles doing that these days, and I think it looks really neat. Okay, there's the Carrera GTs. Another one that I like, these Outlaws too, that came out a few years back. Kind of a fan of those. And how about some purple people eaters? Okay, I've had those for a while, obviously. And this one I originally thought was a Ferrari when I looked at the front real quick, but of course it's not. It's a 944 Turbo Matchbox. Put that back there. I really like the way these pop in the lights. A couple of different wheel variations for the black Porsches. And then we have, what is this, a 914 6? This is a Boulevard car, so it has rear riders on it. And it's a good looking car. Very cool, actually. I'm kind of a fan of that Porsche. What else have we got here? I just had a Porsche drive away on me here. A couple of the convertibles. Spiders. Different color variations of that. What else we got here? One of the Chinese Porsches. No names. Not a big fan of those at all. Then we have the Panamera. Don't see a lot of those around. Let's just keep piling them in here. I believe this is a color racer. And some of the, Blackwall era were just a bit newer. Coming from all sides. This is kind of a cool car. I don't know if I've ever seen a Porsche in this color, but nonetheless, it's cool. This is a Matchbox. I gotta push these back a bit without knocking them off the table. And I'll just put a few more here. Some of them are newer, some of them are not so new. But most of these ones I'm showing here, not these two, these have been around a while. I think this is a color racer as well. A couple of these that have been more recent. And actually, I'll show these. They're not Porsches, they're Mercedes. But they're both wellies. And they got the real wider tires and everything on them, so they look pretty cool. Those two Mercedes. Yeah. Even the fronts, I mean, that's some good attention to detail there. I like it a lot. And while I'm at it, I found these. I did Ferraris, the Ferrari box the other day. But the 458 Spiders, I found these two variations. The variation is just the interior. One beige, one black. They have the same wheels and all. But I think they look pretty cool. And I forgot to show those, or just found them, so I couldn't show them in the other one. And that's a look at the Porsche, and well, like I said, a couple Mercedes in there from Welly as well. And that's pretty much a look at what I've got here so far. Here's one, a Bentley Continental Super Sports. Not sure why that's in this, but there's a Bentley for you. Anyway, that's a look at mainly some toppers and Porsches.